Calibration procedure for float level transmitter 0 to 10 volts DC. To start with, we will measure the resistance output from the reed assembly. Keep multimeter in resistance range and connect to two wires coming out of the reed assembly. Keep the float in the bottommost position. The resistance should be either 0 or 100 ohms. Manually move the float upwards. The resistance will increase in steps of 100 ohms. Once float reaches topmost position, it will show maximum resistance. This depends on the length of the transmitter. Now we will check for insulation resistance of the reed assembly with respect to metal body of the transmitter with a 1000 volt measure. Both the wires coming out of reed assembly PCB is tested one at a time. The insulation should be more than 50 mega ohms. Calibration for 0-10 volts DC. There are three terminals, plus, minus and the O/P. Connect plus to 24 volt DC positive of the power supply. And minus to 24 volts DC negative of the power supply. Output is connected to multimeter plus. Multimeter minus is connected to negative of the power supply. Keep multimeter in DC voltage range. Now switch on the power supply. Now we need to adjust 0 volt using 0 trim pot provided in the transmitter PCB. To increase the voltage, rotate clockwise, and to decrease, rotate anti-clockwise. Adjust until the multimeter shows 0 volts. Move the float to topmost position. To set 10 volts, rotate 10 volts trim pot in the transmitter PCB until the multimeter reads 10 volts. Now the calibration is completed successfully.